So last time we were here, we were stopped. And I also set some 0 to 60 times and some pulls, but I also got kind of roasted. I had some constructive criticism on my driving, but also giving me some advice, and I appreciate it. So with that being said, today we are going to be setting some pull times in my stage 1 MazdaSpeed 3. In other words, this car is now tuned, which it wasn't before, with a 3-inch intake from the turbo. Again, we're tuned, catback exhaust, test pipe, and that is it. High pressure fuel pump internals. So since last time, like I said, we are tuned, and now we have an aftermarket 3-inch intake. These cars just also don't need a 0 to 60 test. They don't do 0 to 60s well. That's just fact. If you're making a lot of power and you're front wheel drive and you got your basic tires on it, we're not gonna set good times. That's just fact. It's not worth it to destroy my car. All the speeds in today's video are going to be listed as miles per hour, 30 to 75 mile per hour pulls. And we're also going to do another one, which I'll figure out. I was going to do a 60 to 100, but unfortunately that's very unsafe and I don't have a place to do that. So we're going to be doing 2 pulls each. Last time I did it in 8.07 and 8.09 seconds. When I do it, I'm not going to prepare anything. Once I say go, I'm going to be cruising at 30 miles per hour. And once I say go, I'm going to mash my pedal. There's no cheating. These are authentic times. Sounds like some of you guys are cheating and getting some crazy time. 4 degrees Celsius right now. Okay, so we're doing 30, 3, 2, 1. And time. I just wheel span in second. That was crazy. I absolutely did not expect that. I do one more. That got out from underneath me. That was quite crazy. 3, 2, 1. And time. Woo! Oh my God, this thing goes now. This is not the same car as before. Those were the 30 to 70 pull time. The next pulls I'm going to do here are going to be, I think it was 40 to 80 miles per hour, which is going to involve us starting in 3rd and then shifting to 4th to kind of finish it off. This one's kind of just for more of us. I think the 30 to 75 is probably one of the more important ones. Cruising, and 3, 2, 1. Time. Technically, I don't have to shift. So we'll set up again and probably do this one without shifting, I guess. So cruising and on it. Time. Man, that's running it so close to redline. Now that we've set our time in the car, let's sit down and review those times with the previous times that we've set. Let's see what we got. So after reviewing all the times, here are the numbers that we set last video. Our 30 to 75 miles per hour was at 8.09 seconds and 8.07 seconds. In today's video, as stage 1 versus the stock MazdaSpeed 3, I did a 30 to 70 miles per hour. I did mess up, let me explain. 30 to 70 miles per hour in 5.07 seconds and 4.23 seconds. I also did 40 to 80 miles per hour pulls, which came out to 5.20 seconds and 4.17 seconds, which we did not do last video. So our most important pulls are the 30 to 70 miles per hour. Now I did mess up by the 5 mile per hour difference. However, it's not really a big of a deal. Moving on forward, we are gonna do 30 to 70 miles per hour. So this will be our official benchmark for that test. Now we're on like a 4-second difference, and I think I kind of have an idea why. When I did these pulls stock, I did 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. So I did add 4th gear to the equation, which adds some time to that. Now I don't think that added all that time that you would think it did. I think the biggest limiting factor was the stock tuned 2nd gear torque limiter. The 2nd gears in these cars are limited in torque on their factory tune. And when I was watching them side by side, the amount of time that I seen from when I shifted from 2nd to 3rd in both videos was quite the difference. I think that torque limiter and, you know, obviously shifting the fourth gave us that time, and then plus just the more amount of power really made up for that 4 seconds. I think this is a really good benchmark that we actually set. So I think moving forward, this will be a really good number. And then obviously that extra 5 miles per hour that I took out of the equation, but no big deal there. Now we did also set the 40 to 80 miles per hour at around pretty much the same time. But here's what I'm gonna do. I said I was gonna do 60 to 100 miles per hour pulls, but I didn't have a place. When I go stage 2, I will go out and film a new benchmark as stage 1. I will put it at the beginning of the stage 2 video so we compare it to the stage 2, more or less like a 3rd to 4th gear. At the time of recording this, I was trying to come up with a second pull that we could do, and unfortunately 40 to 80 miles per hour doesn't really tell us a whole lot. We're sticking with our 30 to 70 miles per hour for now. We have those numbers. I feel really good about the numbers we set today. I look forward to going and upgrading this even more and seeing how much faster we can get it through our benchmarks. I have a lot of stuff going on in March for this car, so we're only gonna get faster from here. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to subscribe and leave a like the video. Thank you so much. Keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.